Sometimes you hear about these business software things and wonder what they're actually about.
Yeah, the jargon can be a bit much sometimes.
Exactly. So today we're going to try and tackle one, Ant ERP. We had a listener ask for just a simple explanation. So that's kind of our mission, figure out what it is, why you might even care.
Sounds good. And we're drawing from a Q&A that explains the concept pretty directly, right?
That's the plan, straight from the source. So let's start there. What is Ant ERP at its core?
Right. Well, fundamentally, it's described as smart software. Think of it as something that integrates all the different parts of a business.
Like what parts?
Sales, inventory management, HR stuff, accounting, the key functions, puts them all into one platform.
Okay, one platform. So kind of like a command center for the business.
That's a great way to put it. A business control center, yeah. Everything accessible from one spot.
Right, but you hear integrates everything, and maybe your first thought is complex. Is it hard to use?
That's a really common concern. But the source material emphasizes that Ant ERP is actually designed with user-friendliness in mind.
User-friendly. Okay. So you don't need, an advanced degree in computer science.
Apparently not. The goal seems to be clear, making it easy for, anyone on the team to get the hang of it.
That's reassuring. Because, let's be honest, a lot of businesses, maybe smaller ones especially, are probably juggling things with, Excel sheets, WhatsApp messages.
Absolutely. Use the tools you have, the ones you know.
So why make the switch then? If those tools are kind of working, what's the real pull towards something like Ant ERP?
That's the key question, isn't it?
Yeah.
The analogy I like from the source was thinking about tools versus a toolbox.
Okay.
Your current spreadsheets, your messaging apps, they're individual tools. They do specific jobs, but they don't really talk to each other automatically.
Right. Data stays separate.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ant ERP is presented as the whole toolbox because it connects everything. You start getting benefits like real-time. Imagine knowing your top-selling item right now, not just at the end of the week.
Ah, okay. That's different.
Yeah. And automated reminders, proper reports that give you the big picture automation of certain tasks, like maybe automatically generating an invoice when a sale goes through.
So it's less about just doing the same stuff in a new window and more about connecting the dots, getting insights you wouldn't otherwise have.
Precisely. It's about leveraging that integration to save time and hopefully make smarter, faster decisions.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, that term ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, it often sounds big, like massive corporations. Is Ant ERP aimed at those giants?
Good question. While ERP systems exist for huge companies, this source makes it clear Ant ERP is specifically targeting small and medium-sized businesses.
Oh, really? SMEs?
Yeah. Across different sectors, too. They mentioned retail, warehouses, hospital, service company. It seems quite versatile.
So it's built to fit smaller operations. And can it grow? Like if your business expands?
That's another point they highlight, scalability. It's designed to grow with the business, so you're not likely to, outgrow it quickly.
Okay, good. But learning any new software, there's always that initial hurdle. What if you get stuck using Ant ERP? Is there help?
Definitely a practical concern. The source says full training is provided.
Training. Okay.
Plus, crucially, there's local support available. And they even mention guides in Sinhala, Tamil, and English.
Multiple languages, nice.
Yeah, and accessibility seems key, too. You can use it on your PC, but also on your mobile.
So you can check things on the go. Handy.
Seems like it. They've tried to cover the support angles.
All right. So if someone's listening and thinking, maybe this is worth looking into, what are the next steps? How do they find out?
Pretty straightforward. Two main ways mentioned. First, visit the website, www.antrp.net.
Antrp.net. Got it.
And second, for instant access or to ask for a free demo, you can just send a WhatsApp message.
Oh, WhatsApp. Easy. What's the number?
It's +94 77 013